Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials, power and connections. Plug the monitor into a known good outlet and swap the cable if uncertain. Once done, open your operating system's power options and set the display timeout to the value you want. Make sure USB Selective Suspend is disabled because plugged peripherals can keep the display awake. Also temporarily unplug extra USB devices and docking stations to see if the monitor then follows the timeout. This isolates peripherals versus system settings. Next, target the software that controls power behavior. Update your GPU and monitor drivers directly from the manufacturer so power management features work correctly. Then edit the advanced power plan, turn off hybrid sleep, set PCI Express Link State Power Management to maximum savings, and disable wake timers. Inspect Task Scheduler and running apps for tasks that wake the display. If a specific app blocks sleep, quit or change its settings. These actions address the common conflict between drivers, apps, and the power plan. Finish by adjusting the monitor itself. Use the on-screen display to disable or enable built-in power save modes and perform a factory reset if settings seem off. Check the manufacturer for firmware updates and apply them carefully. Firmware fixes can resolve persistent wake issues. If the monitor still refuses to turn off, test it with a different PC and try a different monitor on your system to isolate hardware versus system causes. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip: record when it happens and what's connected, then contact support with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.